Hello, welcome to Fingertech Lab. Today we are learning how to use the Refine Edge brush tool to remove hair background in Photoshop. But before we move on to that, for the YouTube algorithm, please comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel in helping to create more of this content of tutorials. Now let's dive into our design. We have our Photoshop already launched for us, then our image is also open. So what we have to do to work on this image, we have to unlock the image. So we come to where the layer is. You'll see there's a lock on the layer. Put the pointer on it and click on that lock to unlock it. Now that it's unlocked, now we can work on the image. So we go to select, then you click on subject. It will take some seconds to select the image for us. We want only the image. So now that the image is highlighted for us, we want a view mode where we can see the edges of the image well. So we go to select and mask, click select and mask. So to this, the overlay view. When you scroll up, you have the view mode. You click on the drop down, we have different view mode. But what will help us to see the edges well? We are using the overlay view mode. So you click on that. After you are done, you come to where the opacity is. You make sure that you increase it to 100 so that you can see the background well and the edges of your image. And what we want to do here, you can see that some of the old background that is showing within the hair, and that is what we want to take off now. So we come to where the Refine Edge brush tool is. You click on this, and what we want to do, we want to add the new background to where those old backgrounds are. So what we do, we use the plus, click on the plus. If the size of the brush is too big for you or small, you click on the drop down arrow and increase it or decrease it. So 20 is okay for us. So we come to where we want those backgrounds to show. We click and drag to take the old backgrounds off. And now let me only the new background show. Then we come to this side also. We click and drag to take all the old backgrounds off and to leave only the new backgrounds for us. Hope is perfect now. So when you realize everything is okay, just scroll to the down, then you stick decontaminate colors. Click on that, check it, so that you click on what okay. Voila, you can see that our background is gone and you left only the image for us. So this is how we use the Refine Edge brush to remove hair background in Photoshop. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you in our next tutorial. Bye for now.